Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Subella hair. Once more, this is the packaging. Let's get into the wig. Well, before we get into the wig, let's see the goodies that we got. This little drawstring bag came with goodies inside. So let's get into it. Got this branded elastic headband, branded Subella. A cute little card that says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Also, I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got some brushes, very cute. I also got a cute set of press-on nails. And I got some lashes.
So this wig is Subella Blonde Highlights HD Lace Front Wig. It's a 13x4 lace front. It's a glueless. And it's a black mixed with 613 blonde highlight vibe. Alright, I'm gonna put the specific length of this wig down below. I believe it's 24 inches though, and also the specific density. But this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. It comes pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. You know, the hair is very silky. This is how it comes straight out of the box, so I absolutely love that. It's nice and full. Doesn't feel stringy or limp and dead at all. I went ahead and slipped it on. I did a really nice glue install with this today. It's super gorgeous, guys. I love the fact that the front looks so realistic. So I actually just positioned it right across my hairline properly to ensure that everything was lining up well. And then I actually proceeded to applying some glue. Once I was done with applying the glue, I went ahead and kind of just got the lace to sit on that and really help use my comb to melt that down. You could go ahead and use the elastic headband to further melt down everything, so it's super seamless. Once I was done with that, I went ahead and started to cut away the excess lace. And then for today, I want to do like a nice half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm using a wax stick to kind of gather everything towards the back, and the lace is very much melted, guys. I absolutely love this lace. I did some swoops today because you guys know that I've been taking a break from doing swoops, you know, just because, you know, I like that new vibe. But yeah, I just did 2 swoops, and then I did like 2 pieces of bangs in the front. You guys know the vibe. And then I took my time to sleek everything back. Now this is very much like a clean girl aesthetic, and I love it. I gathered the hair and I kind of wanted to pull that ponytail towards the back and not like on top of my head. And once I was done with that, I just ensured that everything was nice and very flat. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. It was very easy for me to style this. You could go ahead and explore other hairstyles if you wish. I went ahead and just kind of ran through that with my flat iron to make sure that everything was super bone straight. Subella definitely knew what they were doing, because the quality of this is very, very good. This is how the hair looks before I even went in and ran my flat iron through it once. Well, since I took it out the box, you know, so it looks really good straight out of the box, and I absolutely love that. But yeah, this is it for how today's wig look, you know, came out. I think it's amazing, and it's definitely giving special occasion. The movement on this hair is just immaculate. So yeah, if you're interested in going ahead and getting this wig for yourself, the direct link is in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. Shout out to Subella here once more, and just enjoy the final shots of today's wig look. Let's get into it.